first graders, I'm going to be reading from Spinning Worlds. We're going to be learning about Saturn today. He overlaid it with pure gold. He cast 4 gold rings for it. From Exodus chapter 37, verses 2 and 3. Spinning through space like a golden top is Saturn, the ringed giant. Saturn's tan and yellow clouds stretch around it, much like the bands of Jupiter do. But Saturn's clouds are not as colorful. Saturn has great storms and a deep atmosphere, much like that of Jupiter. The most amazing thing about Saturn is its rings. Saturn has thousands of rings, too many to count. The rings are not solid. They are made of dust, ice, and boulders that float around in the planet in a big, flat disk. Some of the rings are as thin as smoke, while others have boulders the size of compact cars. God has given Saturn the biggest rings of any planet in our solar system. Saturn is nearly as big as Jupiter, but it is much lighter. In fact, if you could fill a bathtub with water and you put Saturn in it, the planet would float. Saturn has the most moons of any planet. There are at least 23. Some are potato-shaped and small, while others are round balls of ice. No Saturnian moons are as big as Jupiter's 4 large moons, except for Titan. Saturn's strange black and white moon, Iapetus, has a wonderful view of Saturn in its sky. Many of Saturn's moons are balls of ice. Enceladus is one of these. From Enceladus, Saturn's rings look like a thin line in the sky because they are even with Enceladus's orbit around Saturn. Another moon, Mimas, is in the sky. So now we're going to look at the pages in your packet that you get to fill out. Saturn is the 6th planet. It is also a gas giant planet. It has no solid surface and made up of hydrogen and helium. It is famous for its rings. The rings are made of ice. The rings all orbit Saturn at different speeds. Saturn has at least 18 moons. We also know from the book they've seen that it has at least 23. So they're always discovering new things about space, which is really amazing. So here at the top, it says to color Saturn shades of yellow and light brown. Color the satellite near Saturn. Enjoy working on these workbook pages.